What's up guys, Shane Starnes here. In this video, I'll be partnering with Wolfbox to take a look at their new flagship dash cam, the G900 Pro. This camera is packed with features including high resolution video, voice control, and 5.8 gigahertz for faster data transfer. Let's go ahead and get started. First up, let's get this out of the box and see what all we're working with. First up, we got the 5K mirror dash cam. So you've got your front-facing camera here. You've got your dash cam mirror here as well. This is the rear camera. Here is your power cord. This is a GPS module. Here we have the mounting hardware. Let's take a closer look. So on the front here, you've got a 12-inch touchscreen. On the back there, you've got your forward-facing camera. And then on the top, you've got spots for the GPS module, your rear camera. The Type-C is for your charge cable. And then you have a 128 gigabyte SD card that's already pre-installed. On the bottom, you've got two microphones and then a power button there to wake everything up. I think dash cams are super important. When you're out on the road, anything could happen, and it's always good to not just have your side of the story, but video proof and evidence of what has occurred, whether that be a wreck or a robbery or something like that. It's always good to have that video evidence. For me, the most important feature of any dash cam is definitely the video quality, and the G900 Pro delivers. So you've got a 4K camera for the dash camera and a 2.5K camera for the rear camera. This is equipped with an IMX678 8 megapixel high resolution sensor, so you're going to get stunning video whether it's daytime or nighttime. With all this resolution, you get total clarity, so you're able to grab important details like license plates, faces, or even stickers or graphics. For superior night vision, this uses a large 1/1.8 inch sensor with 2 DNR plus 3 noise reduction technology, so you get crystal clear images whether it's daytime or nighttime. Another thing that really stands out here is the app and Wi-Fi control. So you can totally control this from your phone, and this is able to connect over a 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection, meaning you no longer have to worry about taking out the SD card, plugging it into your PC to grab files from the camera. You can seamlessly transfer those files over that 5.8 gigahertz connection at a much faster rate. Most dash cams on the market offering Wi-Fi utilize 2.4 gigahertz, which can only transfer at about 2 megabits per second. With the 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi, you can transfer at speeds of up to 8 megabits per second for a 4 times faster transfer rate, and you can really tell the difference. This does come with a 128 gigabyte micro SD card, so there's enough storage here for weeks and even months of stored footage. My favorite feature of this camera is definitely the hands-free voice control, and it actually works the best out of all the dash cameras that I've tested. It always understands the command that I'm speaking and then instantly acts on that command. Turn off screen. Turn on screen. Turn on Wi-Fi. Turn off recording. Turn on recording. Turn off audio. This also features a 12-inch touchscreen, so you can control the camera by touching the screen and navigating with swipes and gestures when you're parked. But I really do love the simplicity of the voice commands when I'm actively driving and can't spend time fumbling around with a screen. Another nice feature is collision detection. This has an included G sensor, which can detect a collision and instantly locks the footage so that it can be used for crucial evidence. Overall, if you're looking for a high quality dash cam, then the Wolfbox G900 Pro is definitely a great option. This produces some of the best 4K quality video, which I think is super important, and the 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi makes this a much more seamless experience when transferring the videos over to my phone. I'll be sure to include links in the description so you can find out more information about the G900 Pro and purchase one for yourself. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.